Hi, it's Chia Traveling and welcome to my channel. I have bought some more Capybara and Quokka merch to show you. We have some pins and 2 pouches. And I bought these items from the shop Unmelt on Etsy. I bought this mini Capybara plushie second-hand from a seller on eBay. This is a pre-order gift from the Nintendo game Story of Seasons Trio of Towns. It's so tiny. I bought this reversible Capybara plushie from the shop Tea Turtle. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care. Bye!